Hey everyone, it's Simcha here from the Fusing Shop. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be making like a spirally marble. The spiral is going to be on the outside of the marble and not on the inside. So I'm going to show how to lay some color on a clear rod and how you can twist that into a cool spiral design. So let's jump right in. What you need for this style marble is, I need a clean, to search for glass. Where's my little piece I was working on? Okay, we're going to use this 10mm rod. So get a 10mm rod, and I'm just going to use one color for this. Let me see if I have any nice stringers pulled out already. If not, we will go ahead and do that. Okay. So we are not going to start with a gather. We are just going to start with a clear rod and one color, one colored stringer. Let me see. What do we have lying around here? Oh, I do have some stringers pulled out already, so I'll just use these for this demo. This is some kind of sparkly blue. I don't know what it is, but it looks nice. So it works for me. I am all about doing what makes you happy, so lower your torch. We're just gonna run a line straight down the rod of color. I like to start on opposing sides. It makes it a little bit easier to get your spacing the way you want it. My lines are not exactly straight, but you know what? They don't have to be exactly straight either for what we're doing here. And again, I'm just doing what makes me happy. Now we're just going to go ahead and melt those lines in. And since they are very thin, this does not take long. Next step, we're just going to attach a punty at the end, and we're going to start doing our spirals. Okay, we got all that nice and cooked in. Can lower our flame. And then you get lower. I'm going to lower my flame so I can control the amount that the glass is going to twist. And just get your heat into the middle, and you can just start doing your twists until you get the desired twistiness that makes you happy. And that looks pretty good for me. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make a termination on the end. So we're going to pull off the rod and a little bit of extra glass with it. And your goal is to have all those points kind of come together at the end. Perfect. That looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and just form our gather. And we are going to do our shaping as we do in all our marble videos. Let's just gather that glass, elbows down position. And starts to round out. This is not going to be a big marble. You can make it bigger by adding more lines of color or using a thicker rod. Just to do a little bit more rounding. It's pretty good as is, but we always go into the marble mold. Give it a couple turns. That's what it looks like so far. You're gonna see more of the color when it cools down. This case, we could use a smaller punty because I don't have a huge piece. And that's my wife banging on the door right now. One minute, Hums. I'm just going to peel off that extra glass so that we have the spiral on both ends. There we go. Switch hands. Melt that back down. And I am going to have to do a little bit more reshaping on this. Alrighty, that's pretty much done. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's spirally goodness. Alright, let's crack off that puntai and get this in the kiln. Make sure you polish off your blip. Great. Okay, good. Thanks so much for checking out the video. I know I mentioned it before, but please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. You know, I just got started on YouTube a few weeks ago, and I'm trying to, you know, establish my channel. And yeah, if you found this interesting, pass it on to others. And if you didn't, pass it on to people that you don't like. And I'll see you next time.